say cheesy. You know what? We are two good-looking, handsome Chinese guys. The big guy here does look a little agitated. Can't say that I blame him. I would be too if I had to sit here, the same spot for 100 years, keeping company with pigeons and a guy with cell phone. This is Dragon Gate, the official entrance to San Francisco's living Chinatown. This is also one of the most colorful and vibrant Chinese community in North America. Chinatown is not just an ethnic neighborhood. It is diverse, dynamic, and a multi-layered community, deeply steeped in history and tradition. I have been in Chinatowns all over North America, Southeast Asia, Europe, even Australia. But the San Francisco Chinatown have a special place in my heart. It is truly a living Chinatown. Whenever I have friends from out of town, I love to show off my Chinatown. And I do it by the numbers. What do I mean? I'll show you. The town in my Chinatown is only an area of 24 square blocks. It is not all that big, only half a mile by quarter of a mile. But it intercepts 5 zip codes. The local post office must be one busy place. Over 15,000 people live here, making this the most densely populated neighborhood west of Manhattan. It is 7 times the density of the rest of San Francisco. Chinese first settled in this part of town back in 1848, but the original buildings were destroyed by the 1906 earthquake and fire. I know what you are dying to know. Just how many restaurants are there in Chinatown? And the answer is, I don't know. I tried counting them by the minute I finish. A new one just pop up somewhere. Anyway, I have over 80 by last count. And that doesn't include all the new tea and snack places popping up all the time. A friend of mine told me that if you love to eat, Chinatown is the place to be. I cannot agree more. Here is not the number of Chinese restaurants, the price and the variety. Name any regional Chinese flavors and you will find it here. My Chinatown, your Chinatown, everybody's Chinatown.